Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your Vastking Fit M3 Smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys I'm going to show you on how to set the date and the time of your Vastking Fit M3. So in my previous video guys, I made a tutorial on how to connect, and this time I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your Vastking Fit M3. Let's check our time guys. So in our watch it is 10:19 p.m. and in our smartphone it is already 1:14 p.m. So all you have to do guys, as I said in my previous video, download the Fit application. Okay, and all you have to do guys is just tap on add a device, okay, and tap on Vastking Fit M3. all right. Okay, so as you can see guys, our time it is already set. So it's already 1:15 in my smartwatch, and it's also the same in my smartphone. Okay, that is very easy guys. So it's just a very quick tutorial, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and make sure to comment down below if you have any questions about our Vastking Fit M3. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.